All right, so today we are working with variables on both sides of the equal sign. So it says up here, follow these steps when solving multi-step equations. So you can see here, we are going to start off by eliminating the parentheses by distributing. Then you combine like terms on the same side of the equal sign. And then this is where we're going to start off here. Move all variables to one side by adding or subtracting, and move all numbers to the other side. And then we'll multiply or divide to get the variable by itself. Okay, so we're going to start off here with number 1. So the first thing that I need to do here is get the x's on one side of the equal sign. So I'm going to draw my fence down the equal sign and look at my two variable numbers. So I have a 6x and I have a 2x. The smaller of the two is the one you want to move. So I'm going to move this 2x over by subtracting 2 from both sides. Okay, so then I have 4x plus 4 equals negative 4. Now I just solve it like a two-step equation. I'm going to move over the 4. So those cancel. So then I have 4x equals negative 8. Then I divide by 4. So x equals negative 2. All right. So we're going to go down here. Oops, sorry. Here's my scroll. To problem 3. So we look, we have negative 2g and negative 2g. So they're the exact same numbers. So it doesn't matter which one I move over. So if we look, it cancels on both sides. So then I'm left with 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side. And you have to see, okay, is that true? Is 2 equal to 2 all the time? Yes, those are the exact same numbers. So you're going to put a little check mark here. Then you're going to write infinitely many solutions. Okay, so whenever you have an answer like this, like 11 equals 11, or 5 equals 5, or negative 1 equals negative 1, those are all infinitely many solution examples because they're literally equal to each other. Okay, let's go down to number 5. Okay, again, we have a 2n and a 2n. They're the exact same numbers, so it doesn't matter which one you subtract. So they cancel on both sides. So I have 1 is equal to negative 6. Those are not the same numbers, so they are not equal. It is not true. So I'm going to say no. I'm putting a slash between or on top of the equal sign because it's not true. So if it's not true, you write no solution. Okay, then last one, number 6 here. We have negative 9 and negative 5. So the smaller the two numbers, if you made a number line here, would actually be negative 9 because it's more to the left than negative 5 is. So I'm going to move the smaller number over to this side. Okay, if you would have moved the negative 5, it's not the end of the world, but then you have a negative x, and we don't love those negative signs because it's easy to lose track of them. So I'm just trying to help you get some more positive numbers. So these cancel. So I have negative 3 is equal to 4x minus 11. And this is just a two-step equation. So I will add 11 to both sides. So those cancel. Then I'm left with 8 and then equals 4x. Divide both sides by 4. So those cancel. So x is equal to 2. All right, and there you have it. Variables on both sides of the equals sign.